Hi guys, welcome to Grid Plus Math. Today we are going to draw an Olympic flag using Turtle Graphics in Python. So first let's go ahead and get started and create a Python file. So you right click on this project and then create a Python file here and give a name. So I'm going to give an Olympic flag. And first, let me show you first how does the flag look like. So this is what we are going to draw. This is an Olympic flag. You have five rings: blue, black, red, yellow, and green. And we are going to use to go to a particular location or the coordinate, and then go draw a circle. So before we get started, I'm just going to show you how the coordinates looks like. So if you're familiar with the coordinates, means this is the origin 0, 0. This is the x-axis going along the horizontal line, and then the y-axis or in the vertical line. So we are going to draw the black ring at the 0, 0 coordinate, and then the red ring is going to be at 200, which is on the right, and then the y coordinate is going to be 0. Similarly, the blue is going to be minus 200 and 0 because we want them to be at the equal distance. And for the green ring, it has to be between the black ring and the red ring. So the x is going to be 100 and y is approximately minus 90 because it is on the lower side of the x-axis. And similarly, the yellow ring is going to be just the opposite of the green ring. So it is going to be minus 190. So now if you're familiar with this, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to get the library that helps us with drawing, and that is called the Turtle Graphics. And we are going to import that. So the way to do it is that from Turtle, import star. What it means is that you are importing everything from that Turtle Graphics so that you can use it in the program. So first thing, we are going to draw the black ring. So I put a comment here. So this one is the comment, and then I put the ring here. So first we have to go to that location 0, 0, and specifically for the one, the default is 0, 0, so we don't have to go to that location. We can just go ahead and draw the circle for that. And the way to draw the circle is a circle function, and we are going to do an 80 here. This is the size you have to specify. And now you can go and play, and then perfect, it is going to draw that. As you can see that my canvas didn't retain. To do that, I just have to click on done. So let me run again, and then it draws the black circle here. So let's look at our picture again. We are going to draw the red circle here. So I put a comment here, red ring, right? And then before I want to go to that particular location, so I do go to and then 200, and then the y-axis is going to be 0, and then I go ahead and then draw the same circle here. So you will see a problem here. Let's see that. First try to run this program and then see you are drawing the black and then you are drawing the other one. So first of all, it is not drawing the color that we wanted it to be, and then you see that line here. That is happening because when I say go to this particular location, my turtle is on the canvas. So and then draw the circle, and then I have to first lift the pen, go to that particular location, and then draw the circle. And to do that in Python, you have to do a pen up. So at this point of time, when I'm going to that location, my pen is not on the canvas. And then before I draw the circle, I have to do a pen down. So this is my program to go to that particular location and draw the second ring. As you can see, perfect here. The only thing is that I don't have the color that I need to be. So I can select the color that I want by putting a color right here. So now you can see that means I just have to repeat this code for all the other rings and then change the coordinate accordingly. So this is for the red ring, and my next ring here is the blue ring, and I'm going to set that. So this is going to be blue, and set the color here. I think it is navy, and then here it is going to be minus 200. Let's go and run this program, and as you can see, red, green, and blue. Now I go and then repeat this code again for the other two rings. So this one is going to be my green ring here, which the coordinate is 100 and minus 90. So I'm going to set this to 100, and this one is going to be minus 90, and this is going to be green ring, and then the color is going to be green. And then again you can run this, or we can just go ahead and finish the program and then check it again. So now the final one is the yellow ring, right? And I put the color here as yellow. Let's run this. Good. Second ring, red ring, then blue ring, and then green ring, and finally yellow ring. My program is complete. The only thing now you see that the thickness of the pen is not that too thick, so I can make that thick, and also I can make it go very fast. Currently what is happening is that the drawing is going very slow, so I can change the speed with which the pen is getting drawn. So for that, the command that is in Python is the speed, and I put a speed 0, which is the maximum speed. And along with that, I can change the pen size, and then I provide the width. So let's try with 12 width and see how it looks like. So let's go and run the program again. And now you can see that you saw how quick it was. So you have a blue ring, you have a black ring, you have a red ring, and yellow and the green. So my program is complete here at this point of time. So let's go back and look at my program here. So and then I'll do a little review. So here you are importing the library, you are setting the speed, you are setting the pen size, then you are drawing the black ring. The default color is the black, so we don't have to set that color. And also the default coordinate is 0 and 0, so we don't have to set the coordinate there. And then we go and draw the red ring, select the color, keep the pen up, go to that coordinate, to keep the pen down, and then draw the circle. And then we have to repeat this for all the rings. Actually, this is the first part of the program that is complete, and we are able to draw the ring. Now, as you can see, we are repeating all this. Everything is getting repeated. The only difference between them is the color and the coordinate. So we can use a function to draw the ring, and then provide the coordinates and the color accordingly. Okay, function, right? To write a function in Python, you have to use the def keyword and give a name to that function. So here I'm going to call a draw ring, because the purpose of the function is to draw that ring. And we specify the coordinate x and y, and then also we specify the color here. So these are the three arguments that this function is going to take. First one is the x coordinate, second one is the y coordinate, and the third one is the color. And then we can copy one of this function here, and then one of the implementation here, and then put it for the ring. So here you can see that currently it is drawing a red ring, so we can change it to the color that we want, which is this color variable here. And now instead of going to this particular location, I have to go to x and y, which is provided by this argument. So here my function is complete. If I provide the coordinates x and y and the color, this function is going to draw the ring at that particular location. Now I need to call that particular function for each ring. So here, instead of just saying draw circle, I have to use the draw ring. And I have to specify the first x coordinate. So remember, the black ring is 0 and 0, and the color is going to be black. Right? Similarly, I just have to go and repeat this 5 times. So this is for the black ring, and for the red ring, again, I can take this and then change this, go to here, and then specify, go to 200, and the color is going to be red here. And I can get rid of this altogether. So this is gone, not needed. Only thing is needed is this. And I can repeat that for the blue ring, remove this, and then this is going to be minus 200 and 0, and the color is going to be navy, right? Yeah, now I delete this, this is gone. I copy the ring again, and then I specify 0 and minus. This is going to be 100, and then this is minus 90, right? And then the color is going to be green. Now delete this, and then the last one is the yellow ring. So this one, as you see, the coordinate is minus 100, and the y coordinate is -90, and the color is going to be yellow. And I go ahead and then get rid of this. So as you can see, my program became from such a big program to smaller one. So again, this is a function that is going to draw a ring if you specify the location where it needs to be drawn and the color. And then here I am calling that particular function and passing on the argument or the values for that particular ring. Now I go and then run this program again. And as you can see, my program is drawing the Olympic flag here. So thank you guys. Means toward now we have come to the end of this session, and you can subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification icon. Thanks. Bye.